So we got this situation. The coefficient of x power 2 and x power 3 are both 0 in the expansion of this in the power of x, then the order pair a comma b is okay. So suppose that we are interested in finding coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Now suppose that this is team A and this is team B. So we want to organize fight, but the condition is the only person can fight who's, like, suppose you multiply two person. Okay, so if after multiplication, if the power of x comes out to be 2, then only he can fight. Okay, now the point is, suppose this person wants to fight, so he will fight with whom? Because he is having x power 0, so he will make sure that he is fighting with the person who is having x power 2. So for this part we want x to take power 2, so we will make sure that it is 15c2. We are interested in only coefficients, so we will take help of only numbers. Okay, now I want to organize fight between this person. So you know that he will fight with only that person who is having x power 1. So here I want to x to take power 1. So it is 15c1 minus 3 power 1. Okay. Now look at this. I want this person to fight. So he will fight with whom? He will fight with the person who is having x power 0. So it is 15c0. Okay, 15c0 minus 3 power 0. So according to us, coefficient of x square is this, but according to them, coefficient of x square is 0. Okay, so let's compare. Now we have 1 time 15, 14, 13 factorial upon 2 factorial, 13 factorial, 3 square is 9, minus, because here power is negative. Okay, so 15c1 is 15, so 15 into 3, so it is 45, 45a. Now here power is even, so it will become positive, and 15c0 is 1, so we will have b only. This thing gone, this thing gone. Okay, so 15 into 7 into 9 will give us 945. Okay, so minus of 45a plus of b. So this is our first equation. Okay, now look at this. Now we want coefficient of x power 3. Coefficient of x power 3. Now the idea is, again we will apply the same approach. I want this person to fight. So he will fight with whom? He will fight with the person who is having x power 3. So it is 15c3 minus 3 power 3. Okay, plus I want this person to fight. So he will fight with whom? He will fight with the person who is having power 2. So it is 15c2 minus 3 power 2, plus I want this person to fight. So he will fight with whom? He will fight with the person who is having x power 1. So 15c1 minus 3 power 1. Okay, now let's do the simplification part. So according to us coefficient is this, but according to them coefficient is 0. Now, so it is 15c3 minus of 27 into 15, 14, 13 factorial, no, 13 into 12 factorial. Okay, now 3 factorial into 12 factorial plus 15, a we will have 15, 14, 13 factorial by 2 factorial and 13 factorial, then we will have 9. Okay, and this is minus of 45. Okay, now look at this, everywhere you have 15, so this thing divide both side by 15. Now everywhere here we will have b also. Now everywhere we have 3 also. First neutralize this thing, 12 factorial 12 factorial, 3 factorial 13 factorial 13 factorial. Okay, wait for time being. Now let's divide all side by 3. So this 3 3s are 9, and then 9, 3 factorial is 6, so divide by 3s are 9, 2s are 6, then 7, then 7. Okay, now it is what, 0, and minus 3 into 7 into 13 is minus 273. Okay, plus 21a, and then minus of b. So we have another equation. Okay, so we got two equation, two variable. So if you will add, okay, if you will add, we will have 0 equals 672 minus of 24a. So if you will simplify, you will get value of a as 28 and value of b as 315. Okay, I hope you got the approach and you can handle similar situations. Okay.